lights of the world cannot be compared even to a ray of the inner light of self. Merge yourself in this light and enjoy the festival of lights. Awesome morning to everyone. Respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, the teachers and all my dear friends. Today's morning assembly is being conducted by the students of class 9th F. The theme for our assembly is the Festival of Lights, Diwali. A beautiful festival full of sweet memories, mouth full of sweets, houses full of diyas and heart full of love and happiness. Before starting with the assembly, let us all join our hands and pray to the Almighty.
There shall be showers of blessings. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessings we need. Mercies drop round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessings, send them upon us, O Lord. Grant to us now a refreshing, come and now honor thy word. Showers of blessings we need. Mercies drop round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead.
Good morning. Thought for the day is there are two ways of spreading light. To be the candle or mirror that reflects it. I am repeating my thought. There are two ways of spreading light. To be the candle or mirror that reflects it.
Good morning. Today's word for the day is embellish, meaning to make more appealing or attractive. Usage: on Diwali, people embellish their houses with diyas and rangolis.
Diwali is a Hindu festival of lights and all Indians celebrate it joyfully and enthusiastically. People light up their houses and shops on these days. This festival is celebrated in the Hindu month of Kartik, which falls during October or November. It is celebrated to mark the return of Lord Ram from 14 years of exile and his victory over the demon Ravan. Diwali is celebrated for 5 consecutive days in some parts of India and is one of the most popular festivals in India. It gives us a very strong message of good over evil. The condition may be worst, but at the end of something, the truth always wins and mark the victory of good over evil.
Diwali comes exactly 20 days after Dashera. For Indians, it is one of the most important festivals, and in some parts of India, it marks the beginning of New Year. Indians celebrate this festival by lighting up their houses with candles and diyas. They light up their houses and shops to welcome the goddess of wealth and fortune to give them good luck for the year ahead. This festival is celebrated in the whole country. Thus, this festival also creates a sense of oneness among the people.
In the situation of COVID-19, we need to be more careful. Here are some tips to make your Diwali safe. Wear mask and keep distance with others. Don't use sanitizers before lighting diyas as it can lead to fire. Avoid bursting crackers as they release harmful gases and smoke which leads to air pollution and also adds to noise pollution. Avoid wearing synthetic clothes as they catches fire easily. Diwali is not only about bursting crackers. It is about lighting rows of earthen lamps and removing darkness around us with the light of hope. It is an occasion to celebrate victory over defeat, light over darkness, and awareness over ignorance. An occasion to celebrate positivity, ray of hope, and happiness. So this Diwali, let us pledge to move towards a clean and green Diwali. which will not affect our environment. So this Diwali, make sure that you not only give to your near and dear ones, but also the nature with less pollution. So this Diwali, with care and love for family, friends and relatives.
Let's celebrate this Diwali with a lot of love, happiness, and gratitude in our heart. Let's celebrate an eco-friendly Diwali and not harm the nature as well as the animals around us. At last, I would like to say that may the good always win over evil and bring compassion, peace, love, and the awareness of unity among all of us. Don't let evil conquer you, but conquer evil by doing good. Thank you and a very happy Diwali to everyone.
All of you stand up and take oath position. I promise that I will take precautions to stop the spread of coronavirus. I will always wear mask and maintain a distance of 2 meters and wash my hands with soap regularly. Together we can fight with coronavirus.
Don't let the evil conquer you, but conquer evil by doing good. Class 9th F wishes you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. May this Diwali bring a lot of love, happiness and peace in our lives. Thank you.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे